Hey there, crypto traders and digital asset investors. Are you ready to explore the future of crypto trading with a platform that's already disrupting the market? In this video, I'll introduce you to one of the most advanced tools in the crypto space, built to help both beginners and experienced traders stay ahead of the game. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest crypto strategies, tools, and insights. Crypto trading moves fast, especially here in Canada, where the crypto scene is growing rapidly and regulations are evolving. Whether you're in Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, or anywhere in between, staying ahead of the market is key. The space is constantly changing. New coins, shifting prices, and global news can all impact your trades in seconds. That's why smart tools are more important than ever. Meet CryptoTact, your AI-powered trading assistant designed to help Canadian traders and traders worldwide navigate the crypto markets with confidence. This platform is transforming the way people trade by combining automation with intelligent real-time analysis. It's not just another bot. It's like having your own crypto coach that learns from your strategy and helps you make smarter, more informed decisions. CryptoTact is easy to use, intuitive, and completely web-based. You can access it from your phone, laptop, or tablet, whether you're working from home in Calgary or traveling across provinces. No downloads, no complicated setup, just a clean, responsive interface that works wherever you are. Behind the scenes, the platform uses powerful AI algorithms to analyze huge volumes of market data in real time. It tracks trends, reacts to market shifts, and provides insights that give you a real edge, especially when trading volatile assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. The best part? It adapts to your experience level. New to crypto? Try demo mode. Already deep in the game? Customize your strategy and take full control. CryptoTact supports major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and others commonly traded on Canadian exchanges. And while you're offline or catching some sleep, its AI continues working, monitoring the market, analyzing movements, and executing trades based on your preferences. This gives you a level of consistency and precision that manual trading just can't offer. One important note: be cautious of fake versions of CryptoTact circulating online. Only use the official link in the description to sign up. It's the safest way to start, especially with scams targeting Canadian crypto users more frequently. If you're serious about trading smarter and getting better results, now's the time. Click the link in the description to get started with CryptoTact today. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Like the video, share it if you found it helpful, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the best crypto tools for Canadian investors and beyond. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.